Are you looking for the best sewing cabinets? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best sewing cabinets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Choice Products Folding Sewing Table. The Best Choice Products Sewing Table is a versatile and convenient craft station that offers ample storage space in a mobile, space-saving design. With 2 rows of pegs, 2 bins, 1 large interior shelf, and a spacious tabletop, you can easily organize your yarn, pins, scissors, and materials. Whether you're tailoring clothes or working on other crafts, this multi-purpose station provides a dedicated workspace. When not in use, the table can be easily moved to a side table thanks to its wheels with casters. The convertible side table design allows you to tuck away your supplies and close it into a compact piece that blends well in any room. The MDF wood build with metal hinges ensures stability, while lockable wheels and magnetic door locks keep your supplies secure. Enjoy the convenience and functionality of the Best Choice Products Sewing Table. What we like: easy assembly, compact folding design, ample storage space, attractive finish, good value. What we don't like: minor stability issues, thread holder adjustments needed. Number 2. Best Choice Products Large Folding Sewing Table. The Best Choice Folding Sewing Table offers a smart storage solution with multiple compartments, including pegs, trays, and adjustable shelves, so you can keep all your sewing tools and supplies organized. It's a versatile workspace that works well for sewing, crafting, or even as a computer desk, giving you flexibility in how you use it. Thanks to built-in caster wheels, you can easily move the table around and tuck it away when you're done, saving valuable space. Plus, the table converts into a neat side desk with doors that keep everything hidden, helping your room look tidy and stylish. What we like: sturdy construction, easy to move, ample organized storage, clear assembly instructions, good value for money. What we don't like: minor assembly challenges, material could be improved. Number 3. VIVOHOME Folding Sewing Craft Table. The VIVOHOME Sewing Craft Table is a versatile and space-saving solution for small spaces. The foldable design allows it to be conveniently stored in a small place when not in use, and easily unfolded when needed. Made of premium particle board and metal fittings, this sewing machine table is sturdy and durable. The well-supported tabletop provides a steady surface for sewing. With lockable swivel wheels, the table can be easily moved and fixed in place. The folding cabinet offers ample storage space with hidden bins and a shelf, making it perfect for organizing sewing tools. Easy to assemble and with multiple applications, this sewing craft table is ideal for beginner sewers and anyone in need of a compact and functional workspace. What we like: sturdy construction, ample storage space, compact when folded, easy to move, clear instructions. What we don't like: assembly takes time, storage layout could be improved. Number 4. Best Choice Products Folding Sewing Table. The Best Choice Folding Table is designed to keep all your sewing tools and supplies neatly organized with its multiple storage options, including rows of pegs, attached trays, and adjustable shelves inside a spacious cabinet. This versatile table isn't just for sewing, you can also use it as a craft station or even set up your computer for a convenient workspace. When you're done, the built-in wheels make it easy to roll the table into a compact corner, saving room in your space. Plus, it folds up neatly into a stylish side table, helping you keep your area tidy and functional. What we like: sturdy construction, easy to follow instructions, excellent storage options, easy mobility with wheels, good value for price. What we don't like: minor assembly challenges, some materials could be improved. Number 5. Giantex 53-inch Craft Table with Storage. The Giantex Craft Table offers a large 53 by 24-inch workspace, giving you plenty of room to spread out your projects and tools comfortably. Its multiple storage options, including a cabinet with adjustable shelves, a big drawer, and 14 cube shelves, help you keep all your sewing or crafting supplies organized and within reach. Designed with a 36-inch counter height, this table supports both sitting and standing work, perfect for long creative sessions. Made from strong engineered wood and reinforced with a crossbar, it can hold up to 265 pounds, ensuring stability and durability for your crafting needs. What we like: sturdy construction, ample storage space, great for crafts and hobbies, good for small spaces, counter/standing desk height. What we don't like: assembly time consuming, instructions sometimes confusing.